Hi, it's Mark here from Sparky Film. Today I'm very excited to be at St Mary the Virgin's Church in Whalley, near Brentwood in Essex in the UK. We're here today to try out Sony's new 4K PL mount lenses. I've got a set of 6 here to try today. We've got a beautiful, beautiful location here in this historic church. Rachel from London, a well-renowned violinist, has come along to be our model for the shoot, and I'd like to thank her for helping out. We're going to test all 6 lenses in the set. We're going to shoot the model from the same location to see the difference between the 20mm and the 135mm. I'd just like to say a quick thank you to Gemma from SLV in London for letting Sparky Film use these lenses for an extended period of time. A great place to go and try them if you want to for yourselves to get your hands on them. So let's see how we get on. Okay, first up I'm attaching the 20mm lens. We're going to shoot all the shots at T2 wide open, see how the lens handles. You can see me throwing focus here. The breathing is minimal on these lenses, which is fantastic. When you get to feel these lenses, they may be slightly heavier than other prime lenses I've used, but the build quality is fantastic. Some fantastic steel housing and they're very, very robust. The measurements are all exactly the same, so it's easy to swap in and swap out lenses. These lenses are very well constructed with very clear and identifiable focus markings. Throwing focus here once again just to show you there's minimal breathing on these prime lenses. 85mm lens now, one of my favourite focal lengths. Look at the separation now between the back of the church and Rachel. It looks superb. We're going to switch in the 135mm lens now, the longest focal length in the set. And again, nice bokeh candles in the background. She's really popping out here, and it's a fantastic lens to shoot this type of work with. So I had a good experience using these lenses. I'm very pleased with these results. Here's a few handheld shots now at 20mm. Definitely a set worth considering. For the price range, these lenses offer exceptional value for money. Solidly built, great optical performance. And if this is your first, or you're making your first foray into buying a set of PL mount lenses for your camera, these should certainly be considered.